Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw link your wallet to your Grass Airdrop account. The full process step by step. Let's get into it. First, open up your web browser and search for $Grass. Click the first link, head over to the official website. Once you're there, look for the Open Dashboard button at the top right corner and click it. Now hit the Connect button to begin linking your device. On the left hand side, go to the Rewards tab and click Connect Wallet. You'll now need to select a Solana-based wallet from the list. If you go with Phantom, unlock it using your wallet password. In the pop-up menu, click up the Connect button again. Next, you'll need to verify your wallet. Just click Verify, then confirm the sign-in messages that appear that proves you're the owner of the wallet. Once that's done, click Send Verification Email and hit Send Verification. Head over to your Gmail, open up your email from Grass and click the Verify Wallet Address button. Once your wallet is verified, go back to your dashboard. Make sure you have some earnings available in your account. Finally, click the Withdraw tab and withdraw your desired amount. That is it. You have now successfully linked your wallet and made a withdrawal from your Grass Airdrop account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.